Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In today's global world, your spreadsheet likely has text in multiple languages, maybe customer feedback in Spanish, product descriptions in English, or support tickets in German. Manually translating this data or using formula-based translation is slow and fragile. In this video, I'll show you how to use Sheetgo's AI data processor to automatically translate your data into any language directly inside of your Google Sheets without any external tools or complex formulas. So let's get started. First example that we're going to be taking a look at in this tutorial is going to be the translating product descriptions for global stores. So the scenario goes something like this, where there is an e-commerce team preparing to launch their online store in two new markets. That's going to be Spain and Germany. Now their entire product catalog, including hundreds of other titles and descriptions, are in English. Now manually translating each of them is a massive project that could delay the launch by weeks. So what we're going to be doing now is using Sheetgo to automatically translate all the English product catalogs into both Spanish and German, creating a ready to upload file in minutes. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is heading over to Sheetgo. You can get started with the link in the description, and once you're here, you're inside of your Sheetgo interface. Go ahead and click on new and click on blank workflow. Once you're in here, Sheetgo basically gives you a couple of different ways in which you can get started with creating your workflows. One would be to type it in natural language and let AI handle the creation process for you. Or you can select from popular use cases available, pre-built ones, the templates and stuff. Or you can click on the use classic builder to build it on your own. Once you're here, you'd want to click on add to workflow and click on automation. So the first step would be to mention the source, the data source that we're going to be using. So it's going to be Google Sheets in this case. I'm going to click on Google Sheets, click on select file, and I'm going to search for the master product list English. I'm going to select that sheet, click on done, and in a couple of seconds the sheet would get loaded. And either you can import the current tab, all tabs, or a specific tab. Or in case you want to import a specific range of data, you can always click on data range, select the tab and specify the range. For now it's going to be entire tab and it's going to be the sheet 1. I'm going to click on next step. Now once we are here, the next step would be to select the data processor, and for this case it's going to be processed with AI. So I'm going to click on that, and inside of the prompt box I'm going to be putting the following prompt that says read the text in the product description column and create two new columns called Spanish description and German description. Translate the original English text into both Spanish and German accordingly and place the results in the new column. So this is going to be my particular prompt, and you can always select from the popular use cases, but I'm going to be selecting and putting in my own custom prompt. And once I'm done here, I'm going to click on next step. The final step in this process would be to specify your destination, that is where the process data is going to be stored. So I'm going to click on Google Sheets again. You can either create a new file with the process data, but for now I'm going to be having it in my existing file. So I'm going to click on existing file, click on select file. Sheetgo automatically fetches the previously searched sheet. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to click on done. And here you can see the destination sheet has been loaded successfully. And once I'm done, I can click on review automation. Look at all the steps that are happening. This is going to be my source, where the master product, where there's going to be the product descriptions in English. Then it's going to be processing them, and it's going to be creating a new tab with the processed ones. So once I'm done, I'm going to be clicking on finish and run. And in a couple of seconds, I should be able to view the translated descriptions. And here you can see on successful execution, the workflow execution is completed, and you can either view your data inside of the Sheetgo interface by opening this up here, or you can head back to the original spreadsheet and you can see that a new tab has successfully been added here. So I'm going to open that up here, and you can see now right next to the English product descriptions, I have two new columns, that is the Spanish description and the German description. So if I just increase the size up, I can see both of the descriptions have successfully been added into my spreadsheet, and they're perfectly ready for my international stores now. The next use case that we're going to be looking at is the global customer feedback understanding scenario where the support team receives hundreds of feedback tickets daily coming in from different customers all over the world in various languages. Now to basically understand them and route them to the right department, one must be translated, creating a massive bottleneck that slows down the entire process. So now we're going to be using Sheetgo again to do an automatic translation and it should be able to detect which is the source language and automatically translate everything if required into English, consolidating all the feedback into a single analyzable language. So we're going to be heading back to Sheetgo and I'm going to be clicking on new. I'm going to click on blank workflow. Once I'm in here, I'm going to click on use the classic builder. I'm going to click add to workflow and click on automation, inside of which I'm going to be selecting my source as Google Sheets. I'm going to click on select file and I'm going to be searching in for the global customer feedback log sheet. And once I find that, I'm going to click select it and click on done. And in a couple of seconds, the sheet is loaded. And once I'm done, I'm going to click on next step. And the processor that we're going to be using again is going to be processed with AI. And inside of the prompt box, I'm going to be putting in the prompt that says analyze the text in the customer feedback column, auto detect the original language and translate it into English. Place the result in a new column called translated feedback English. And once we are done, we can click on the next step. I'm going to be selecting the destination as Google Sheets and it's once again going to be an existing file of mine. That's going to be the global customer feedback log. I'm going to select that, click on done and click on review automation where you can review it or even add another step in case you have any other processing to do. But we have the source, we have the processing and we have the destination here. And I think everything is good and ready and I think we can go ahead and click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has finished successfully. Once again, you can view the process data either inside of the Sheetgo interface, or you can head back to the main spreadsheet and see the new tab. And you can see the translated feedback column has been created. So for every customer feedback in different languages, it has successfully translated it into one single language. So this allows the analysis team to quickly understand and act on global customer needs. The last and final example that we're going to be looking at is the global marketing e-commerce ad copy generator, where there is a global marketing team that is preparing to launch a campaign across several European countries. And they have their core ad copy, headlines, call to actions and stuff ready. And they have multiple target languages such as French, German and Italian. So doing this manually is going to be incredibly time consuming and risks a lot of inconsistencies. So the goal is going to be using Sheetgo once again to perform automatic translation to take this English ad copy and translate it into multiple target languages in separate columns. So I'm going to be heading back over to Sheetgo. We're going to be clicking on new, click on blank workflow, followed by clicking on the use classic builder, inside of which we'll click add to workflow and click on automation. The first step would be to specify the source, so it's going to be Google Sheets again. I'm going to click select file and we're going to be searching in for the global ad copy library spreadsheet that's there here, that contains the ad IDs followed by the call to action or the English ad copy. And once we are done, we're going to be clicking on next step. Inside of the select a data processor, we're going to be selecting process with AI. And inside of this, we're going to be putting the following prompt that says read the text in the English ad copy column. Create 3 new columns that's going to be French, German and Italian ad copy and translate the original English text into French, German and Italian accordingly and place the results in the new columns. And once we are done, we can click on next step and we're going to be selecting a destination. So that's going to be Google Sheets. I'm going to once again select the existing file. That's going to be the global ad copy library. So we'll select that, click on done. You can always rename the tab here. But once we are done here, we can click on review the automation. We can see this is going to be the source, the processing and the destination for our Google Sheet. So once we are done and I think everything is good to go, we can click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has finished successfully and we can head back to our main spreadsheet and we can see that a new tab has been added. And here you can see the French ad copy followed by German followed ad Italian ad copy has successfully been added to my spreadsheet. And you can see this has happened within seconds. And now this allows the marketing team to quickly understand and develop global content. So there you have it. 3 real world ways to use Sheetgo's AI data processor to translate your Google Sheets automatically for products, support tickets, and marketing copy. If you're working in a global team or you're working with multilingual data, this is a game changer. Try it yourself. I have linked the blog post in the description. You can check that out and you can get started with Sheetgo with the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.